Welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be looking at, guess what I'll be looking at, guys? I'll be looking at expensive fish in Jamaica. Right, I'm talking about fish that cost a lot of money. Probably to you where you're at, these fish are like easy, you go by the river and catch them. But in Jamaica, it's a totally different thing. So we'll start off with the cheapest in the list. The cheapest in the list going for about $1,100. The neon tetra or the Cardinal tetra. These fish are available in Jamaica, but they are not usually bred in Jamaica, right? So they are imported. So they small fish, you know, $1,100, and usually they look good in like swimming, like 10 or 20 of them swimming together. Very awesome, looking very good. So that means you're going to have to spend like $10,000 to get that 10. Okay, so in addition, and that's number 10, right? Number 9 expensive fish sold in Jamaica, right, would be, I would say, it's the Cory catfish. Now the Cory catfish comes in different colors. You have albino and you have the regular, and the cost of those in Jamaica is going with is $2,500, right? And that's at the local pet shop, and these are imported, right? That's $2,500. Number 9. Number 8 on the list. Number 8 on the list, expensive fish sold within the fish keeping, you know, arena in Jamaica, is the blue dolphin. Now the blue dolphin is usually sold when it is very small, right? So the larger it is, the more money, right? But because it is usually sold very small, it falls in at number 8, right, where it is normally sold for like $1,000, between $1,008 to $3,000. It depends on where you get it. So, but between it and the fish I mentioned before, probably might exchange. Coming in right at number 7. Number 7 expensive fish in Jamaica sold at the pet shop is the red cap goldfish. Now the red cap goldfish ranges between like $4,000, $5,000 for a medium size one. The larger one is more money, right? So you're going to spend $4,000, $4,500 to buy a medium size red cap goldfish. Now coming in at number 6. Number 6 are expensive fish sold in Jamaica. Wow, guys, these fish are really expensive. You're talking about the ghost fish, right? The ghost fish normally sell for an average of about $6,500, and that's like for a medium sized one. The smaller ones you might get a little cheaper, but the larger ones are very, very expensive, right? And this is like, you know, $6,500, good money, right? Remember, the minimum wage in Jamaica is like $8,000 a week, right? So if you're gonna keep fish, usually people keep the cheaper ones, right? They pay $80 or $100 for it. All right, so that's number 6. Coming in at that's number 6 at a local LFS store. All right, coming in at number 5. Number 5, and this is when they are small. Clown knife. Clown knife usually sold between $7,000 to $8,000 for one. All right, so that's number 5. All right, coming in at number 5. Coming in at number 4. Number 4, expensive fish sold in Jamaica. Guys, them fish are expensive, you know. Butterfly koi. Butterfly koi, well, koi fish is very popular, but butterfly koi is a little bit more expensive. And butterfly koi costs between like $8,000, $10,000, depending on the size and depending on the color variation, right? So butterfly koi coming in at number 4. Now coming in at number 3, guys. Number 3, expensive. Let me say expensive fish in Jamaica, right? And these are Paco fish, right? Ladies and gentlemen, these fish are awesome and they are expensive, and normally, because they are so awesome, you normally see like one of them within an aquarium. Persons never normally have a bunch of them because, number 2,
Coming at number deuce, although you might say, but that's not in where I'm at, those fish like you catch them on the river. But in Jamaica, these fish, I mean like the babies, like 2-3 inches, they're being sold for like $20,000
Is
or
what?
one.
Is the discus. Discus fish, right? Discus fish is normally sold for in the region of discus is sold for between $10,000 and $15,000 a one, and that's like the teeny size, like 2.5-3 inches, right? And that's number two, right? Coming in at number one, the most expensive fish sold in Jamaica, available in Jamaica, not bred in Jamaica, it's imported in Jamaica. Coming in at number one is the arowana. And normally, well, arowana, right? Normally the silver one, right? That's number one. Ladies and gentlemen, these are some really expensive fish, and if you plan to like get a bunch of aquarium and keep all of them, you're running in some region of about nearly $100,000 to actually facilitate all of these, at least one of these. Thank you very much for stopping by. This is Raleigh here for another Fish Keep in Jamaica. Catch me next time. Cool.